clay buddies! In this video, I'll share with you how to make an easy clay chibi eyes using circular cutters. If you're like me that is not so good in painting eyes for your clay figurines or still on the process of learning how to paint anime eyes, I hope this video will help you. This cutter will help us to make our work easy in creating eyes. You don't have to roll the clay and flatten it one by one and making sure that all sizes are even. I will put the link on the description box below where I got all the tools I used in this video. First, you have to choose how big your eyes will be and which cutter will you use for each part of the eyes. You have to mold your desired chibi face. Using a ball tool, make a hole. Get a black and white clay and flatten it. I have this plastic container to cover the clay so it will not dry up. Using your desired color, add the clay at the center like so. Using the same cutter, add the black clay at the upper part of the eyes. cutter, add white clay to make an illusion of light reflection. You can also add another smaller reflection using the smallest cutter if you want to. So there you have it. Thank you everyone for watching.